Yes.
Hi friends, how are you this afternoon? I have a special activity for us today. We need to plan a trip. I've got two friends here and they want to go on a trip, but they don't know where to go. So we need to help them.
Where he went his last championship.
We can go to the farm and we can work on the farm and we can milk some cows and do all those other cool things on the farm, drive a tractor. Or we can go to the beach and we can build sand castles and jump in the waves. What should we do? I do know one thing though. We want to go to a farm or a beach that's far away. So we might need to take an airplane. Should we take an airplane today? I don't know. Or maybe we need to take a car or a train. Let's think. Let's work together to decide what we're going to do today.